warm tomato salsa. So first things first, we're gonna start by peeling off all of the leaf parts of our rainbow chard stem. You can also cut them, depending on what age you are. But what I love is that even kids can do this, so anybody can do this, no matter what age you are.
That's how I do it, Chef. I just curl my hand like a kitty cat's paw, and I yank it.
Cool.
Yeah!
That's cool. And then now you're just gonna slice them up, just like this.
Very good with your knife skills,
Thank
Chef.
you. And guess what? Since we have an amazing culinary team here,
Yeah,
they already chopped them up here.
You want to put the oil in the pan?
Yes.
We've got it nice and hot for you,
So
Chef.
now we're gonna be putting some of our oil in here. That's actually from your brand, actually, the Rachael, right?
Oh, it has my olive oil in it.
So I love using this. And you're just gonna kind of put it around and add your rainbow chard stems.
Beautiful. Oh, that looks great.
Thank you. We got a bucket, a cup full, yes, thank you, of cherry tomatoes that we're half, and now we're gonna also add them into our salsa.
Okay. Would you like some of the greens too, or wait?
We're gonna wait a little so they get all ready.
Okay. Would you like your garlic?
We're gonna wait for that a little bit.
All right.
So now you're gonna add some of your salt, get that nice and seasoned, and some of your pepper. Don't be afraid to season. It always makes everything better.
I agree. I'm gonna throw some in too for good luck.
Yes, thank you. Okay, so now that
Can I cut your lime in half?
Thank you, you're amazing. That's exactly what we needed. Okay, we're gonna add in our chopped cilantro.
Yum.
And we're also gonna add in our minced garlic.
And our minced garlic, great.
And now what I love about this recipe is that all of the foods in here are pretty much whole foods, meaning—
That's right.
Yes. And I once read an article that sometimes in order to stay healthy, the best thing you can do for yourself is eat whole foods.
Instead of processed foods.
Yes,
Right.
and guess what? They're easy to make. You can grow them in your garden. They're good for the environment. And number one, they're good for you too.
Yeah!
Now we're gonna add our lime juice.
There you go.
And I'm really bad at squeezing limes, lemons, and oranges, so you can use this handy dandy lime squeezer, and it makes the process so much easier.
Way! I'm gonna squeeze the other half for you, Chef. There you go. Boom!
Boom!